VirtualView is a feature that lets you define a virtual screen that you can choose when it appears on top of the medical imaging application. I'll show you how that works. So here I right-click on the background, bring up the Barco system settings, and I'll activate the virtual view. So now with the virtual view activated, I get not only these two diagnostic displays that are shown here, but a third virtual display that is living virtually over here. And I can put in that what I like. Now, if I have the medical imaging application open here, and I am looking at the images, now I might want to bring up my other applications. So in this case, I'll use the shortcut key, Control-Shift-V, to bring up the virtual view. And I can pop up on top of this application the applications that I want to have, like this one with pathology, Microsoft Link, something to control my microphone. So with this, I can toggle that on and off as I see fit. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.